Hello guys and welcome again. In previous video already we created a template for the system and VPN 512, VPN 0 and VPN 10. So now let's move to create a template for the interface. So to add the interface template, we need to go to add a template and also select device. In our case we are using VH Cloud. Okay, let's press here, then going to VPN interface Ethernet. Okay, so actually we have three interfaces for each VH. We have a Giga 0 and we have a Giga 01, which is this one will be in VPN 0, and Ethernet 0 will be in management VPN 512, and for the VPN 10 on Giga 00. Okay, that's great. So let's go directly VPN interface. Okay, so first of all we're gonna create an interface interface Giga 01. Let's give this name. Okay, no problem. So here shutdown, I will make it default as what? As no shutdown. Okay, and the interface name, now we need to give an interface name. Okay, the IP, I'm gonna create the IP later on. I am going to do device specific because we have two devices or two VH. Okay, good. For the interface tunnel is very important also to open what? To open or to allow the services and also enable the IPsec. So for interface Giga 0, let's do okay, global. I can do the global because we're gonna implement this tunnel under interface Giga 001, sorry, Giga 01, then on. Okay, so now it gives me some parameters. So first of all we need to give the color. This is the color like a tag, okay, for the important of our traffic. For the interface Giga 01, okay, let's give this color as what? As business internet, for example. Okay, and what we need also, we need to allow the service. So default, let's allow all the service, and also let's do global here and press the OSPF because we need the OSPF, and we need what? The SSH. Okay, and also netconf. That's all. Okay, good. No need the NAT, VRP, no need. Okay, that's great. Safe. What's required one? Asked me about the required. Okay, so here asked about the interface, so no need to give the interface name. I'm gonna use device specific. Okay, or as we are going to do the Giga 01, let's choose Giga 01 as default, because Giga 01 it will be exist in the same VPN 0 here and here. Okay, okay, save. Nice. Let's now create another one for interface Giga 00. Okay, interface, give it this name, interface Giga 00, and also here and here global, no shutdown. You can give a name here, or interface name is Giga 00. Okay, now we need description. You can use the description. Okay, we can use description to example vSmart example. Okay, this is Giga 00, not to vSmart, to the server, to server. Okay, nice. For the IP, I'm gonna do it later. Okay, tunnel, we need global. Okay, on. So here the color, I'm gonna fix it as blue. Okay, and the other thing, what is it? Let's go allow all the service. We need the OSPF. Okay. Netconf, SSH. Okay, and OSPF already we did. Okay, save. Great. And we have another interface which is ether00. Okay, where is it? VH Cloud interface. Same, this is interface giga00. Sorry, not giga0, ether0. Internet. Okay, now shut down. Here you would like to add this one, ether0. Okay, let's check because sensitive. Okay, ether0 description to management switch example. Okay, and let's keep it specific, the IP address. No need tunnel here, we don't need the tunnel. Okay, save. Okay, that's great. So already we create the interfaces, we did the system and VPNs. Now we need to create the OSPF and also the banner and OMP. Okay, so to do that, let's add new template and let's press VH Cloud, sorry. So let's start with OSPF first. So here I'm going to use the OSPF, give this name OSPF. Okay, good. And for the router ID, let's let it as a specific, okay, because I'm gonna add it later on, because I have, as I told you before, we have a 2VH. Okay, redistribution, yes, we need the redistribution. As I told you, here we have the OMP. Okay, OMP, here we have OMP. So if you want to discuss with server 2, you need to redistribute the OMP. Okay, so now let's create a new redistribute, and here we have OSPF. We don't have. Okay, let's do it. Connect. Sorry, redistribute. I don't think so. 1 minute. Choose. We have a static connected BGP OMP EIGRP. Okay, let's let it the last one. Okay. Sorry. I thought I am in OMP. So we are in the OSPF. So yeah, we need to choose OMP. Okay, this is my mistake. Okay, add. Okay, great. After that, we need the important thing, the area. This is the new area. Okay, so which area you gonna use? I will use 0 as normal. On which interfaces you gonna enable the OSPF? Under giga00. Okay, under what? Under giga00. So now I need to choose the interface. The interface giga00. Okay, nice. Then add. Don't forget to add here. Okay, everything is good here. I did the redistribution to the OMP. Okay, good. Save. Nice. Now I need to add also redistribution from OMP to OSPF. So VH OMP. Okay, so let's give here OMP as template name. So here is now shut down by default and so on, so we don't need to change the timers. So the only thing here, as you can see here, advertise is by default allow the static and connect, because if you're going to example VH here, look, and do show run, you will find OMP. Okay, by default is what is advertised, the connect and the static. Okay, So what I'm gonna do also, please advertised OSPF. Okay, good. Okay, great. So here, yeah, it's replaced redistribution. So it means advertise the OSPF. Now let's save our configuration. Okay, good. I need to add the last one, which is the template. Sorry, the banner template, or the last template. It will be the banner one. So I'm gonna create a banner for my VH, and here you can do it globally. For example, hello all, OT, this is for login banner. Okay, let's do it also hello. Okay, save. Nice. So now, as you can see here, we already create the template. So after that, what we gonna do, we gonna create the template, okay, from the future template, then attach it to the device. I hope this is clear. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to add how to create a template and attach all the devices based on these templates. Okay, thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.